Pain sucks, especially on a day-to-day basis of dealing with it. Ugh. My shoulder pain distracts me at work. Sometimes it stops me from having fun. And worst of all, it holds me back in the gym from making the gains I know that I'm capable of. And when I was training someone at work, the answer came straight to my brain. And that's when I truly realized what was holding them back from the next level in the gym. And that's functional mobility. That's what holds back most of my clients in the gym. Whether they want to get stronger for kiteboarding, keeping up with the kids, or for even some of my athletes who just want that extra advantage. I've tried everything to increase mobility. From foam rollers, to stick rollers, to these things, whatever they're called. Ow. Massage guns, and even the corner of the walls. Don't get me wrong, all of these tools help with recovery, but there's one item that surpasses all of them, and that's the mobility ball. That kind of reminded me of Pokemon a little bit. Like, I choose you, mobility ball. I don't know. But in just 15 minutes of using these balls, my shoulders went from this range of motion to this range of motion, and my hips went from this range of motion to this range of motion. If we look at this shoulder model here, there's about 12 different muscles in this one area. So, this foam roller is not going to be the best contestant to help release this because the surface area is just way too big. It's not going to be able to get deep inside of those little crevices in this shoulder. So, and that's why the death nipple is perfect. It's going to be able to get into those small cracks and crevices unlike any other piece of equipment. And when I use this ball, I make sure to move my arm through infinite ranges of motion because this is going to release that deep muscular adhesion, aka knots. And if I were to do that for all the muscles surrounding the source of the pain, pain minimizes instantly. And when I'm done with this session, I honestly feel, like a new person. But it's definitely the worst pain I endure by far when it comes to all these recovery tools. It really feels like if the Hulk was giving you a deep tissue massage, but he was shoving his elbow deep inside of you. And in this case, pain equals gains. You might be thinking, isn't pain a bad thing? Not in this case, because the pain caused by the death nipple is good pain. Because the pain leads to an increase in mobility, okay? And that increase in mobility now leads to increased recovery. Now that increase in recovery leads to a decreased risk of injury. Okay? So simply just by using this ball, the pain is going to cause increase in mobility. The increase in mobility is going to cause an increase in recovery, and that increase in recovery will lead to decreased risk of injury. So, if you don't want to be hurt as much, try them out. It's pretty nice. And after all the muscles are mobilized by the torture ball, it should be followed by static stretches. That helps lengthen the muscles back out to their original position, before you got them tight as shit. And that helps further this process. It's like I'm smart or something. I've shared this ball with about 10 people, consisting of friends, co-workers, and clients. And they've all bought one of these balls because their pain and tightness decreased while their range of motion increased. So the key to progression lies within this mobility ball. So if you want to minimize injury and pain and reach the next level in the gym, this mobility ball is a game changer. Also, if you're using this ball in a public place, make sure to cover your face, because the faces that I make are awful. And you don't want people staring at you, that's for sure. My name's Carmine, and thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing a little giveaway at the end of the month, and one of you are going to win this mobility ball. All you have to do is leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.